Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw some positiveness in the US market and also today morning in the Asian market. There was a Jackson Hole uh, speech by the Fed chief, and he has indicated that the interest rates can increase further. Inflations are not under control and not on the expected line. So there is a possibility that there could be increase in the interest rate also. Uh, so though the statement was negative, but we had seen market gauging these things and were down before Friday, that is on Wednesday, Thursday, and with this statement and the event getting out, the market had seen some bounce back. Today morning, Asian market in that specifically China and Hong Kong are plus substantially. That is mainly because of the few steps taken by the China to support the equity market, wherein they had reduced the stamp duty charges for stock trading, and that has been brought down from 0.1% to 0.05%, which has put up a positive sentiment for the stock market. And also, they had come up with the who are shareholders in a large company should not sell the shares below the IPO price. Such type of regulation has also come, so that has also increased the sentiment as the paper supply will reduce. So these positive sentiments has supported the share market, though these uh, measures are not directly linked to any improvement of the real economy. So it may remain a day or two event, and then it will cool it off. Um, They want in India also we may take positive sentiment from the international market and take the direction in the positive territory. I'll request the technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you. So, good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open on a positive note, and we're likely to witness some sideways momentum during the day. Friday, we have seen that the Nifty has maintained a closing below its 50 DMA, which gives some sort of a cautious sign and maintain a closing below the same level. Now, going ahead on the technical front, 19,350, 19,370 will act as a crucial resistance levels provided by its 50 DMA. If it's break that level on the closing basis, then only we can see some upside momentum which might take a Nifty towards 19,430 to 19,500 levels. Whereas on downside, as of now, if we look towards the swing supports level, Nifty has a crucial support at around 19,200 levels. Below that level, 19,100 and 19,000 levels can be tested. So the view is a bit cautious, but some sort of a pullback rally can be seen up to 19,370 to 19,440 levels on the higher sides. Now coming towards the bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, the immediate resistance is placed at 44,350. Any move above that level expect to rise towards 44,460, 44,600 levels. Whereas on downside, 44,000 will act as a crucial support levels. Any move about that level will witness some sort of a profit booking, which might take a bank Nifty towards 43,850 to 43,700 levels. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 19,740, 19,850 are the two resistance level we need to keep eye on it. Whereas on the downside, 19,560, 19,450 are the two support zones. Now coming towards the stock specific, BL Kashyap looks very good on the technical setups. The stock is well placed above all the important moving averages. Also, the interesting fact that it is on the verge of giving the flag pattern on the daily charts. We believe the stock would likely to continue this rally towards 56 levels on the high side. So one can take a long position at the current market price above 51.70. Maintain the strict stop loss of 49 for immediate target of 56 levels. That's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, see on Friday, some aggressive shorts were built into the system. However, important levels are not broken. 19,200 is a good support area. Looks like Nifty is going to witness some good buying action now going forward. Also, PCR is near the oversold zone. I believe whatever happens now, we should make a good base around this 19,200, 19,000 levels, with the 19,000 put having a very good put base. So that is a very strong support area. So this is what base building is now happening. We can witness good buying action from now on, up to leading on to the next couple of weeks, with 19,500 being a strong resistance. Once that is broken, you will see some good buying action coming in aggressively for Nifty. VIX is at comfortable levels around the 12 areas. So yeah, all in all, not much to worry about here. From a stock specific front, banking sector did witness some selling pressure in the last couple of trading sessions. But we will expect banking to bounce back quite significantly. Private banks like Axis, ICICI, RBL can witness good buying, while PSUs also like SBI, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank can witness good buying. So definitely, look out for the same. Yeah. So that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. BHEL has received order worth 2,240 crores from NHPC for balance of plants for 12 into 240 megawatt electromechanical works for a project in Arunachal Pradesh. This is positive. Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, has received new defense and non-defense orders worth 3,300 crores during July and August. With this, BEL has in all received orders worth 11,380 crores for this in this financial year. This is positive. BEML bagged an export order worth almost $20 million from Russia-backed KAMSS for its Dozer BD product. The contract will be executed from starting this month. So this is positive for BEML. And Indostar Capital Finance has sold a significant portion of its legacy corporate loan book to Phoenix ARC. A sale consists of certain accounts that were tagged stage 2, aggregating to total loans of 915 crores. Post the transaction, the share of retail lending book in the company's AUM has increased from 85% to about 95%. So almost entire loan book will now be considered as retail. This is positive for Indostar. Thank you.
Good morning. There is a breakdown in one of the key equipments of CCL Products Limited subsidiary, that is a Vietnam subsidiary, Engon Coffee Company Limited, because of which there will be a production interruption during the quarter. It is likely to impact the 6 to 10% of the consolidated net profit. However, the damage to the equipment and loss of profit are covered by insurance. So this is slightly negative for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, today Reliance AGM is there, and one can expect further comment from the management about IPO of Reliance Retail or maybe Reliance Jio. We are already seeing listing of Reliance Jio Finance. Now the point is whether the company give any timeline for the IPO of the other two companies. Apart from that, need to see the comment on renewable energy, wherein the company is investing a lot of money. So we need to be watchful of Reliance AGM. This generally has some impact on the market. Apart from that, there is a news article that Gujarat Power Utilities has made excess payment of around 3,900 crore rupees to Adani Power for supply of the coal. So here again the Gujarat Gujarat Utility has asked the excess payment reverse repayment of the money from Adani Power. So this can act as negative for Adani Power Limited. That's all from us. Now I'll request the commodity team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting some pullback in gold and silver. So buying around 58,600 is recommended, and one can take profits around 850 to 900. This is the area we are witnessing some resistance, and one should book profits around that levels. So on downside, as long as 58 200 is holding, we are positive on gold, and silver also. Uh, there is some resistance area around 74,000 to 74,200. So there could be a pullback, but however, profit taking is advisable on 74,000 to 74,300. On downside again, 73, 200, 100 good levels to buy again. So one can maintain a stop loss of 72, 600. In crude oil, we have witnessed prices correcting from the highs of the resistance area around 66.50. So for the day on pullback, one can sell around 65.80 and maintain a stop loss of 66.50. On downside again, 64.50 is the area we are looking. Natural gas, we are expecting prices to trade positive, and one can expect 235 to 40 levels. There is buying momentum, and today we are going to witness some gap up moment. So buying is recommended, and one can maintain a stop loss of 215. In metal front, copper, one can sell around 734, 35 levels, and maintain a stop loss of 740. And in zinc also, we are positive on zinc. So buying on dip around 213.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 211. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD INR, we can expect some more downside. So if we get any pullback around 82.60 to 82.62 levels, so one can initiate a short positions with a stop loss of 82.73 levels for the target of 82.53 and 82.45 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate short position if we get any pullback around 104.25 levels with a strict stop loss of 104.48 levels for the target of 103.90 and 103.83 levels. In JPY INR, on the daily chart, we are seeing very market trading around very or what levels. So one can initiate a short position if we get any pullback level around 56.75 to 56.66 levels with a stop loss of 56.79 levels for the target of 56.30 and 56.15 levels. Thank you.